Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how we made this appetizing Ghanaian Shito. It tasted so delicious, and the good thing is you don't need so many ingredients to make this Shito. So let's get started. These are our main ingredients for the Shito. Here I have some onions. Shito requires a lot of onions, garlic and ginger. And here I have my oil. So Shito also takes a lot of oil because of the frying involved. And I have some tomato paste. And here I have my dry herrings, my dry pepper, seasoning cube and rosemary. If you have shrimp, you can go ahead and add, but I don't have that one. I've gone ahead and I've chopped the onions and the ginger and garlic, so I'll go ahead and blend them into a fine paste. And here I'm adding some rosemary to it and some oil to aid the blending. Please do not use water when blending your vegetables because Shito does not go with water, so you can add a little oil to help you with the blending process. Our blended garlic, onions, ginger and rosemary is ready, so we'll set it aside for later use. I've put my pot on fire, and into the pot I'm adding some oil to it. I will allow the oil to get hot, then I'll add in the paste. That's the one we just blended. So I'll allow this to fry for some time, then we'll continue with our Shito making. This has been frying for about 5 to 7 minutes, so it's time for us to add our tomato paste. Right now I'm adding the tomato paste to the garlic, onions and ginger. So I'll add it and stir, mix everything together and allow it to continue frying. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And please help us promote this video by clicking on the like button. Thank you.
Because you don't want it to burn. So guys, because we don't want this to burn, that's why we are stirring it repeatedly. As you can see, the aroma has filled the whole community.
The tomato paste is well fried, so right now I'm adding my seasoning cube. When making Shito, you need to stir repeatedly. You need to stir continuously to make sure that it does not burn, because when you leave it for a long time, then it begins to burn because there is no liquid in it. Right now I'm adding my dry pepper. I blended the dry pepper I showed you earlier to get this, so I'll go ahead and add the quantity that I think is okay for me. So if you like more pepper, you can add more, and if you like less pepper, then you can add less. Please, I would love to know in the comment section where you are watching me from and whether Shito is common in your country. The next thing I'll be adding after the pepper is our dry powdered fish. I've also gone ahead to blend the fish to get this form. So after adding the fish, you realize that the oil reduces because the fish absorbs some of the oil. So I went ahead to add some oil to the Shito. At this point, you can taste to see if the salt is okay. I'm adjusting mine because when I tasted, the salt was not enough. Our shito is almost ready. I would love to add rosemary to it. So right now I'm adding rosemary to it. I'll also add nutmeg. After that, I will allow it to continue to simmer on a low medium heat while I stir it regularly to make sure it does not burn. Stirring it regularly is very important because if your shito burns, it will have a bitter taste. So we need to stir it continuously until we get a dark brown color. You can also choose to add any spices of your choice. Just look at our shito, it looks so lovely. At this point, you can choose to stop frying, but I'll still stir and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then I'll take this off the fire. This is just perfect for me, so our shito is ready. Our shito has cooled down completely and I've transferred it into a bowl. For preservation, you can store this in an airtight container and then you leave it at a cool place, and whenever you need it, you just fetch and use. Just make sure that it does not come in contact with liquid. This can be enjoyed with wache, fried rice, kenkey, banku, and what have you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment down below.